stop right there. Before you pop another painkiller for those aching knees, I need you to hear this. What if I told you that the real solution isn't hiding in your medicine cabinet, but sitting right there in your kitchen? Pain and bring back the strength you thought was gone forever. But here's the catch: -97% of people have no idea how to use them correctly. Stay with me because what I'm about to reveal could change everything. Remember when your knees were your friends, not your enemies? But today, just getting out of bed feels like a battle. That first step sends shooting pains through your knees like needles piercing through bone. Your legs feel so heavy, as if someone filled them with cement, and those stairs? They've become mountains you dread to climb. Every step brings pain, every step brings fear, every step makes you wonder, is this how I'll live for the rest of my life? Most of us just accept it. We tell ourselves it's just age catching up. We've crossed 60, this was bound to happen anyway. Because the truth is, this pain, this weakness, this constant fatigue, it's not always just about getting older. Very often, it's your body sending you a clear signal, a warning that something essential is missing inside. The nutrition that should be reaching your muscles and joints on time just isn't getting there. And here's what's truly frightening: so many people in this situation rely solely on medications. They believe pills are the only way out. But the reality is, in many cases, the real solution isn't medicine at all. It's the nutrition that never reaches your joints and muscles in the first place. And this is the hidden reason that's weakening your legs and joints every single day. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 ingredients hidden in your kitchen. 5 foods that science has validated that can eliminate your knee pain and restore the strength you've lost in your legs. But before I name the first one, I need to know something. Do your knees hurt constantly? Do your legs give up on you first thing in the morning? If yes, drop a comment below right now saying, yes, this happens to me too. Because your one comment will tell me I'm addressing the right pain. Now let's dive into the first ingredient. And trust me, when you hear its name, you'll think, how can something so simple do something so powerful? Yes, it absolutely can. The first ingredient is walnuts. But this oversight is costing your knees dearly. Look at a walnut. It resembles a brain, doesn't it? But its real magic works on your knees. Hidden inside are omega-3 fatty acids, the same omega-3 that cools down the inflammation and swelling in your joints. When your knees hurt, there's actually a fire burning inside, the fire of inflammation. And walnuts pour water on that fire. A major research study found that people who eat a handful of walnuts daily experience up to 45% reduction in joint pain. 45% without any medication, without any side effects. Walnuts contain magnesium that releases muscle stiffness, vitamin E that protects joints from wearing down, and protein that rebuilds weakened muscles. But don't make one mistake. Roasted, salted walnuts provide no benefits. Eat raw walnuts. Soak 4 to 5 walnuts every night. In the morning, peel off the skin and eat them. Within 8 weeks, you'll feel the difference yourself. Now you're probably thinking, okay, I understand walnuts, but what else can give relief to these tired knees of mine? Listen, the second ingredient is so powerful that when you hear it, you'll say, this is made in my house every day. The second ingredient is turmeric milk. Yes, that same golden milk your grandmother used to make you drink. She'd say, drink up, child, everything will be fine. And you know what? She was 100% right. Science has now proven that turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is nothing short of a blessing for knee pain. Curcumin does what even the most expensive pain medications cannot do. It pulls out the inflammation lodged in your joints from the very root. One study found that patients who drank turmeric milk daily for 3 months experienced such reduced knee pain that they stopped taking medications altogether. But here's a secret most people don't know. Just adding turmeric to milk and drinking it doesn't give you the full benefit. The real magic happens when you add a pinch of black pepper along with the turmeric. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases curcumin's effectiveness by 2,000 times. 2,000 times. Imagine what a massive difference that is. Every night before bed, take 1 glass of warm milk. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Daily. Just this one habit can change your knee's destiny. That pain that keeps you awake at night will slowly start disappearing. That stiffness waiting for you every morning will keep reducing. Just 1 glass of golden milk, so simple, so affordable, and so effective. Now let's talk about the third ingredient. And this one is so remarkable I can say with confidence, once you know about this, you'll never go without it. The third ingredient is fish. Yes, fish. But not just any fish, fish found in cold water like salmon, sardines, or local varieties like rohu and katla. These fish contain omega-3 fatty acids in such quantities that they work like medicine for your knees. Look, when your joints hurt, what is really happening is the cartilage is wearing down. That soft layer that works like a cushion between bones. When this wears away, bone rubs against bone, and that friction is your pain. The omega-3 in fish stops this wear and tear. It repairs cartilage, it increases lubrication in joints. Research says people who eat fish 2 to 3 times a week reduce their arthritis risk by up to 60%. 60%. But what if you don't eat fish? Then you can take fish oil capsules, but remember, always consult your doctor first. Now wait a moment. That's 3 ingredients: walnuts, turmeric, milk, and fish. Can you include these in your life? If yes, write in the comments right now. I will start. This small promise will empower you, a promise made to yourself. Now let's move to the 4th ingredient, and believe me, you'll find this at every vegetable vendor. So common yet so special. The 4th ingredient is beetroot. Yes, that same red beetroot that might make you turn your nose up. But after today, your thinking will change. Beetroot contains nitrates that open up your blood vessels. When vessels open, blood flow speeds up. When flow speeds up, your leg muscles get more oxygen. And when oxygen arrives, fatigue disappears. That heaviness you feel is actually lack of oxygen. Beetroot fills that gap. It contains betalains that reduce swelling, iron that builds blood, and folate that strengthens nerves. Drink 1 glass of beetroot juice daily or eat raw beetroot in salads. Within 3 weeks, you'll notice a strange freshness in your legs. Now the last and 5th ingredient, because this is the one without which the other 4 are incomplete. This is the foundation on which your knee strength rests. The 5th ingredient is sesame seeds. Yes, those tiny sesame seeds you see in ladoos and maybe eat during winters. But sesame isn't just a winter food, it's a year-round treasure. Sesame contains so much calcium that it's even more beneficial than milk. You heard that right, more than milk. When you cross 60, bones start weakening, calcium begins leaching out. And when bones are weak, how can knees stay strong? Sesame fills this calcium deficiency. It contains zinc that repairs joints, copper that keeps cartilage healthy, and a compound called sesame that fights both pain and inflammation. Eat 1 spoon of black sesame daily. Eat it plain, add it to salads, or make ladoos. Just make sure sesame becomes part of your life. Now take a moment and look back. I've given you 5 ingredients. Walnuts that eliminate inflammation. Turmeric milk that strikes at pain's root. Fish that repairs cartilage. Beetroot that increases blood circulation, and sesame that turns bones into steel. Together, these 5 do what no medicine can do, no pill can do, no injection can do. This is nature's cure, hidden in your kitchen. Think about where you'll be 6 months from now. There are 2 paths. On one path lies the same life you have today. Pain, fatigue, helplessness, discomfort at every step, fear of stairs, embarrassment when playing with grandchildren. On the other path lies the life you've lost. Morning walks without pain, climbing stairs without fear, spending time with family without limitations. The decision is in your hands. But remember, nothing will change until you change. Friends, if today's video touched your heart, hit that like button right now. If someone in your home has aching knees or weak legs, share this video with them. Your one share could free someone from pain. Subscribe to BioWell Hub and hit that bell icon so these life-changing videos keep reaching you. Take care of yourself, take care of your knees, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new health topic.